Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just enjoying a nice hot brew. One of my favorites, mochaccino. It's hot chocolate and coffee mixed together. Just love it. It's good stuff. I was sitting here thinking about getting a waterproof camera again. Because my, as you probably know, or maybe don't know because you're new, I had a Olympus Tough Shot. It crapped out on me. The screen went out. So the camera works fine except for the screen. I've already sent the camera in once to get repaired. And I had the screen replaced. And then the same problem. It's like, I don't want to just keep replacing the screen. Plus, I don't know if they're going to have all the parts available every time. And what a hassle. It also takes like several months to get it back. So, I got to look into getting a new camera. But I had a gentleman on one of the channels I subscribe to. He dropped his camera in the river. And it's not a waterproof camera, so basically all the audio holes and everything else just filled with water and destroyed the camera. So, you know, that could happen to this one that I'm using. I mean, if it breaks, I'm out of business until I get it replaced. But I've seen other people do it, and other channels do it, and you know they ask for, you know, they do a Patreon, or they do a they do a GoFundMe or something. But I could never do that. I could never just sit and ask my viewers for money. And maybe a few would be fine doing it, but I wouldn't feel right. It'd be like, it's like nails on a blackboard for me. It's like, I don't want to ask for cash. I mean, I monetize the videos, but that's where I draw the line. I won't ask my viewers for money. I mean, maybe you like watching the videos, great. You know, you enjoy them, that's awesome. But I couldn't in good conscience sit there and ask for cash for a camera so I can make videos. It's like, I just wouldn't feel right. It's like, I mean, I do work full time, but it's like, you know, there's always something coming up, you know. The truck needed new repairs, and, you know, tabs are due in a couple of months. I'm looking at almost $400 for tabs because it's a 2017, and, you know, the state, you know, we have a lot of, you know, they get their hands in your pocket every chance they get. It's like, oh, you have money? Give us your money. So, you know, plus being a homeowner, if something goes out, you gotta have some money to take care of it. You can't just like, oh, leaky pipe, I'll just wait. I'll just put some duct tape on it. It's like, no, you gotta get that fixed. So, you know, just food for thought. Just, you know, just kind of something I've been thinking about. I'm not gonna ask my viewers for cash. It's just not gonna do it. So I'll just shoot videos when I can. Of course, it's coming into that season where, you know, holidays are going to be here soon. I'm probably going to take a little break for the holidays. Probably November, December. Just not shoot anything. I mean, if I get out for a day because it's sunny, great. If it's not, I'm not going to sweat it. You know, I mean, holidays, it's going to be busy at work too. So I'll probably be working, because I work delivery. I'll probably be working a couple of extra days a week. You know, probably every week for probably a good couple of months. It'll be nice to knock down the credit card a bit. You know, then I got, you know, then there's buying Christmas presents and everything else, which, you know, if I don't think about it now, it's like, it'll happen like it happened last year. I gotta run out at the last minute and buy everything. Crap. But plan ahead and get it done. And there's, you know, there's Thanksgiving. You know, I mean, there's Halloween, and then there's Thanksgiving, and then there's Christmas, and then New Year's, which I don't really care about New Year's. I'll probably be asleep before New Year's strikes. Ooh, 2020, whoop-de-doo. I mean, I usually go to bed, you know, during the work, when I'm working, I go to bed at 9, and then last night I was up till 10 watching YouTube, but, man, I was so tired, I actually didn't feel good, so I was like, yeah, I gotta go to bed. Crashed out. So, all right, well, thanks for listening, and I'll keep it short. Have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next one.